I'm Dr. Barrett. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon, and why am I taping my mouth shut? Well, I'm going to tell you all about that in the end, and I can tell you how to start doing this once you hear about all the benefits at the end of this video. I started taping my mouth shut after I read a book called Breath by James Nestor, and it talks about all the benefits of breathing through your nose versus breathing through your mouth. At nighttime, I breathe through my mouth. I'm a mouth breather. I hate to admit it, but I am. I try to get like a little harness to kind of keep my mouth shut, but I found that tape works the best, and I saw a lot of improved benefits. I slept better. Some other reported benefits of it are you actually improve the release of nitric oxide, you help stimulate your parasympathetic activity, you get more relaxed, more calm. I've even noticed that my allergies went away. So if you have a lot of allergies and things like that, or you have a stuffy nose in general, forcing yourself to breathe through your nose, at least for me, was able to reduce that. That may or may not work for you, but it may be something you want to look into. Definitely read the book Breath by James Nestor. If you're interested in starting taping your mouth shut at nighttime, start small, start with a tiny little piece. Like medical tape is a really easy thing to do. You can get this blue silicone tape on Amazon as well, or you can get some specialized tape that people sell that has like a little hole in it to kind of get started. And once you kind of get started, it gets easier and easier. It's not, you might feel like you're, having difficulty breathing at first, but it gets easier and easier, and then you'll start to see the benefits. So try it out. Tape your mouth shut. Your spouse also may thank you.